Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I have a new course announcement. It's called Small YouTube, Big Profits. So in this video, I'll be going over my brand new course on how to make big profits with a small YouTube channel. This course is an over-the-shoulder, do this, then that type of training with full case studies of my success on Teach Me Money Methods. So who is this course for? This course is great for those that already have a YouTube channel and just need some direction and tips to take it to the next level. This course is also for those that don't have a YouTube channel and need helpful tips from the start to find a niche, produce a content plan, and decide which types of videos they will create. What will you learn in this course? So niche selection, choosing your niche, and also make sure it has a high CPM. So there's many different niches that you can select when choosing a niche for YouTube, but not all niches are created equal. If you choose, for example, like the pranking niche, that's really popular on YouTube, or the gaming niche, you play video games and you want to get millions of subscribers and millions of views every time you put out a video. But those, that's required in order to make the big bucks on those channels. You will need to make it big, way bigger than I made it on this channel, of course. So that is kind of going with the quantity route, and this course is not really about that. We want to start a small YouTube channel in a niche that has a high CPM, so advertisers are paying a lot more money for every 1,000 views on your channel. And so I show you what the best niches are, and then I also show you how to do keyword research and that sort of thing, even for your videos. And so here's the landing page. So number 2, the style of videos. We need to choose which style of videos that we're going to create. Are you going to put your face on camera and do mostly talking head type videos, which those are going to be the fastest to create and the least amount of cost. So if you are willing to get on camera, those are the best videos, but certainly you don't have to get on video. The next best thing is doing what I'm doing right now, which is doing a screencast or screen share. So you're just recording your screen and talking over either slides, or in a minute I'll be going and showing you the course landing page, and you can record web browsers while you're working in softwares, all kinds of things. So, and then you can do whiteboard animation videos. You can do all kinds of different style of videos. I go over all that in a module in the course as well. There's actually 19 or 20 modules in the course, but I just kind of put the top ones right here on the screen, so you get an idea of what the main content pieces of the course is. And then also the software and the tools that I use and recommend. And there's a whole list of them. So if you don't like this video editing software, then I have another one for you, right? And then I actually have subscriptions to both, and I show you maybe some of the advantages of using both and that sort of thing. And then, number 4, we're going to build your own product. So this is where it really starts taking off, and you will kind of be thinking of this a little differently than you probably have. And how to become successful on your YouTube channel before it even gets monetized is huge, right? So maybe let's say you have 500 subscribers on your channel, but you're like, but I want to make a few $100s a month from my YouTube channel and my efforts that I'm putting in. So I teach you exactly how to do that in this course. So we're going to be building your own product and at a certain level, and I'll teach you that. Number 5, which platform to use to launch your first product. That's important too. You have Teachable, Thinkific, you can host on WordPress and use Elementor. You can do all kinds of different things to launch your own product. But I teach you the platform that works the best, that's simple and very, very user-friendly, and everybody recognizes it, so you won't have any issues with people wanting to buy your product because of the payment processor. Everything just works so smoothly, and it has very low fees. You don't have to pay anything up front. You can actually get going, and they just take a small slice of a fee each time you have a transaction. So it's a perfect win-win situation for you to get going. And then 6, I threw this one in here in the course. Throughout the course, I kind of throw in some maybe go off on some rants a little bit, but motivation and consistency, right? So this is very important as people, as most people stop posting videos too soon and never see results. So what ends up happening is somebody sets their sights on their YouTube channel and they put up 10 videos and they got 7 views, and then they call it quits and they're done. So this, I talk about motivation and consistency, that you need to set your sights higher and you need to stay consistent and work hard, because this is a exponential type growth game. So you have to keep going. You have to post and publish a bunch of content before it will start, and then the algorithm will start picking up your stuff, seeing that you're serious about this, and then you will start getting views and subscribers and things will take off for you. Yes, it can happen much sooner than that, but it's just more of a form of motivation to just don't give up and keep going, and you will get benefits. And then finally, the most important part of the course, I show you how to build a small YouTube channel and make it profitable quickly. So that's the main part of the course. So if YouTube is in your sights, you always wanted to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have one, and you would just like to see somebody else how they did it, then this course is for you, because I believe you will learn a lot of tips and tricks along the way in this course. So pricing, let's talk about pricing. I wanted everyone to be able to enroll in this course. You guys know my PLR Profits Academy course is listed at $97. I have had it on discount a few times throughout the last 6 months or a year. But this course, I wanted it to have an everyday affordable price. So even though the course is over 3 hours of content, of me showing you everything that I know about YouTube and how to be successful, I'm giving it a really fair price tag at only $47. So most people should be able to pick that up at that price. Why did I make this course? So Teach Me Money Methods is all about teaching everyone strategies that they can use to make money online, right? Go check out my videos. If this is the first time you've seen my channel, go check out the rest of my videos. I do tutorial videos on a daily basis on how to make money with freelancing and on Fiverr, and as a course instructor on Udemy, and email marketing and Amazon KDP book publishing, and I publish coloring books to make money on Amazon KDP. I have my own products on the YouTube channel. I make money from YouTube. There's so many different ways. I publish ebooks on other different platforms. So there's a lot of different ways to make money, and that's what this channel is all about. But I want to teach you, if I'm making a good amount of money from a certain place like YouTube, I want to share that with you guys, and that's what this course is all about. So I share all my income streams with you. Teach Me Money Methods made me over $12,500 in the past 6 months. And most of that was not from YouTube ads revenue, because I just got approved back in early November of 2020 with the ads partnership program, and I had already made $12,000 by that time. So this is really a story and journey of how I was able to turn my small YouTube channel of under 3,000 subscribers and to actually profit from what I love doing and making these videos. So I want to share my story with you and teach you exactly what I did so you can replicate my success. Let me show you the course page real quickly. And so here's the landing page. Now click the first link in the description below if you want to go check it out. I also have a video right here. The video is only about 2 minutes long. It's going to show you through a lot of just some of the statistics and things on my site or on my YouTube channel. And you can see at the time of course launch, I had only 2,900 subscribers. So under 3,000 subscribers, and obviously making some pretty good money from the website or from the YouTube channel. So here's my course landing page. You can click on here. There's a logo right there as well. You can see that the price tag $47, small YouTube, big profits, and you're going to get all this stuff, 3 hours over the shoulder content, teaching you how to build a YouTube channel and make money from it even before you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. There's no fluff in this course. I just turn all the stones over and show you exactly what I did. How to become successful on YouTube, niche research, profitable niches, video content plan, and a platform to launch your first product on, software and tools that I use. I kind of went over all this stuff, but you can see kind of my story here, so you can look and read through the story. The story part right here, I actually go over in the video, so you can just watch the video, but then right here I get into even more specifically each module, exactly what you'll learn in each module right here. So here's my new course. Go click the link below if you are interested in making money with YouTube and you want to learn from somebody that actually practices what they preach and takes major action. You can learn from someone like me. So thank you for your time. Go check out the course, and I'll see you in the next video.